How to extract a subject from a photo using drag and drop. Open the application that has your photo stored. For this video, I'll be using the Photos app. To extract a subject from a photo, first, view the photo, tap it once. Then press and hold the subject until you see an aura effect. The subject that you have selected is now extracted. Using another finger, use it to close the photo that you've recently viewed, and with your finger still holding the subject, you just drag the subject to an open space of the app user interface. Along with the subject you have selected, there is a green plus icon, indicating that the subject can be placed, and then, just drop it in there. Now you have a new PNG image format that has no background, but only the subject. Earlier you see that I have done it in the Photos app. Here is a photo from the Files app. Again, tap and hold the subject, drag the subject away from the source photo, and drop it on the open space of the app user interface. If you're working on multiple applications, the feature should still work, just as you see here, dragging the extracted subject from the photo in the Files app to the Photos app. This feature also works on animals, like this husky. Objects, like this warship. If you hold and don't drag the subject, it will give you options, whether to copy or share the extracted photo subject. Note that this feature will not work on iPhone 8 and 8 Plus, nor on the iPhone 10. This feature may only work on iPhones with a 12 Bionic and up. What's nice about using drag and drop for this feature is that it's seamless and automatic, it's real time. That's it for now. Stay tuned for iOS 16 tutorials. I hope this helps you. This has been Techno Voyager. I'll catch you in the next video.